dear student, in this video I will show you how to form less than type of cumulative frequency table from the normal distribution table as well as more than type cumulative frequency table. So my name is Darsan and this is my YouTube channel. So let's begin. So I have taken a first example here. In the first example there are the classes and the frequency. I have taken the another example that in which the classes are not there but the cumulative frequency, more than type of cumulative frequency is there. So first of all thing which you have to take into consideration, that let me give you an example. If I am taking a one of the class interval, that is 10 to 20, this 10 will be taken when we are taking more than, means whenever we are taking more than we will use lower limit, and whenever we want less than we will use upper limit. So simply here I want to make the more than less than type of cumulative frequency. So first of all, score less than. I have written less than for only one time, that I should not repeat again and again and again. So less than. So here when I taking it less than, I have to take always a lower limit of the class, sorry, upper limit of the class, that is first 450, then 500, then 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, and last 800. Now let us make a cumulative frequencies. So when I want to take less than 450, it's already 20. But when I want to take less than 500, it contains 400 to 500. So I have to add both of these frequencies. So 20 to 30, 20 plus 35 will be 55. When I want to take 550, it will contain 400 to 550, means from this all three frequencies it will contain. So I should add 55 plus 40, so that is 95. Here I want to take less than 600, so less than 600 means 400 to 600, 400 to 600. So I should add all of these four frequencies. This three frequencies addition is 95. 95 plus 32 will be 127. Now 650, so 650 means 127, and we have to add this 24, so that will be 151. Now less than 700, so till 650, 151. Now we have to add another 27, that is the frequency of 650 to 700, so that is 178. Yeah. Now 750, so I should add 178 plus 18, that is 196. 196 plus 34, that is 270. So I hope you can understand this. This is really easy, but let us move on to second example. In first example we are given class intervals, but the second example having a little bit of problem because it do not contain any of the class intervals. So first of all we have to make class intervals. So let's see over here how do I make it. So here I have given the data of the more than. As I have the more than, that means these are the lower limits of any of the data. As I know, when I'm taking more than, that means I have taken a lower limits. That is, these are the lower limits. So 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700 and 750 are the lower limits. As we can see, the class length is 50, so 400 to 450, 450 to 500, 500 to 550, 550 to 600, 600 to 650, 650 to 700, 700 to 750, and 750 to 800. Now let's make frequency out of here. because we should have frequency as we are having over here in this example. So we should have frequency. So let's find frequency. Here it is a more than 400, means more than 400. 400 means 400 to 800 total scores between 400 to 800 contain in more than 400, but we need only 400 to 450. So we should subtract this both of the frequencies. 230 minus 210. As you can see, in less than I am adding all of the frequencies, and here when I want to find the frequency I have to subtract it. 232, 230 minus 210, that is 20. That is rub it, make it short and simple. I am only doing subtraction, I am not showing you. 230 minus 210, that is 20. Now 450 to 500, 450 to 500 means it should not be more than 500. So more than 500 is over here. So 210 minus 175. So that is 35. Next one is 500 to 550. So we should subtract both of this, that is 40. 550 to 600 means we should subtract both of this, that is 32. 600 to 650 means we should subtract both of these, that is 24. Yeah, and 650 to 700, that means we should subtract both of this, and that is 27. 700 to 750, that means we should subtract both of this, and that is 80. And 750 to 800 means only 750's value is over here. We should put it as it is, 34. Now we need to make it more than less than type of cumulative frequency. So score less than, I will denote it score less than. So as I am taking less than, I should take the upper limit. These are the upper limits. So 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800. And here I should take the CF. So see, in the CF we have to add, so less than 450, that is 20. But when I am taking less than 500, we have to add both of this, that is 55. When I need less than 550, so जितना less than 500 था 55, उसमें और ये 500 to 50 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, जो हमें 95 मिल जाएगा. Next 95 plus 32 will be 127. 127 plus 24 will be 151. 151 plus 27 will be 178. 178 plus 18 will be 196. And 196 plus 34 will be 230. And hence we did it. I hope you can understand both of the examples, but only watching videos is really do not will make a miracle. So first of all thing, you have to practice it as much as you can. So first of all, just start the video from very beginning, where I have just given you this two example, not its solution. So start it from the very beginning and try to give its solution again by your own. Even I am giving you more two questions to do by your own self. So wait a second. So here are two examples. First one is easy to see, easy to solve, and second one has a little bit twist over here. I have given a signs, rather than I have given more than in words, I have given in a signs. Means this is more than in 0, more than 20, more than 40, more than 60, and so on and so on and so on. So you can solve it as we have did in a example number 2, which I have done over here. So I hope you will do it, and if you found any doubt in any part of the video, please comment me in the comment sections. If you like this video, and if you found it really helpful, so like this video and share it. Thank you. Stay tuned.